morning, children. How are you? Hope you're good. Teacher Barbara is also fine. Okay, now today we are going to learn to make a calendar. We are going to make our calendar. And how do we make it? Now you get a piece of paper like this. Write numbers right from number 1. You write numbers from number 1, number 2 up to 31. Those are the days. So I'll give you a paper like this. So you write the numbers right from number 1 up to 31. Then after writing those numbers, you get a pair of scissors. You cut those numbers. Now, after cutting, where do you keep them? You get another paper. Look at me. Please look at me. After writing your numbers, after cutting them, you get another piece of paper like this. Have you seen? This is my piece of paper. You fold it like this. You fold the paper like this. Have you seen how I have folded my paper? So this is where we have folded. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. So this pocket, we are going to divide it into three categories. We have shelf number 1, we'll put the dates. Shelf number 2, we'll be putting in months. And the last one, we'll be putting days of the week. By the way, do you know the days of the week? Do we know the days of the week? Yes? Who knows? Teacher me. Yes? What? Friday. Very good. Any other? Wednesday. Now. Okay, you all know. Now, the days of the week, they start on which day? Do we start on Friday? No. Do we start on Wednesday? No. Here we start on Monday. The first day of the week is Monday. What can you see? This is Monday. Monday. All of you, Monday. Next, Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday and Sunday. So we've got 7 days of the week. 7 days make a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 7 days make a week. So now we've seen days of the week. These 7 days make a week. Now, how many months make a year? Because we are learning to make our calendar. So we've seen 7 days make a week. Now, how many months make a year? Teacher me, 7. 7 months? No. 3. No. Now, 12 months make a year. 12 months make a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months make a year. 12 months make a year. So let me show you how they look like. So the first month of the year is January. January. The second month is February. Third month is April. No, March. March. Fourth month is April. Fifth month is May. Sixth month is June. Seventh month is July. Eighth month is August. Ninth month is September. 10th month is October. 11th month is November. Then the last month of the year is December. December. So now we've seen months of the year, days of the week, and now I have shown you how you're going to make the numbers to make the dates. So I get my piece of paper again. Here it is. All right. Our calendar. Have you seen? So here there is. Today is. Today is. By the way, what is the day today? What is the day today? The day today is Monday. The day today is Monday. So you look for Monday. Where is Monday? So Monday is our first day. So you put your Monday here. Okay? So our first day is Monday. Monday. And then date. And what is the date? What is the date? Today will. The date today is 18th. The date today is 18th. So you look for the number 18. So you put it there. You put it there. Monday 18th. And which month are we? Are we in March? No. September? No, teacher. Which month are we? We are in May. Very good. Wonderful. So we are in a month of May. So you put your month there. Monday, 18th May 9, 2020. 2020. Okay? So this is how your calendar should look like. This is how your calendar should look like. Is that okay, class? Yes, wonderful. So make sure every day you change the days and the date. Is that okay? Very good. So this is your pocket. This is your pocket where you'll be keeping your days of the week, months of the year, and the dates. So this is how we make our calendar. This is how we make our calendar. Very good. Wonderful, wonderful. 1, 2, 3. Okay, see you. Make sure when you get this is the paper where you'll be writing the numbers 1 up to 31. Then after writing them, cut them, put them in the pocket here. So make sure every day you change the date. This is where you put your numbers. And then after, this is where you will be putting the days. Days of the week. Then, months of the year will be, you put them here like this. Is that okay? So this is our calendar. This is our calendar and how we keep our days and dates and months of the year. Bye-bye.